Hi, this is question 8 from the AQA FP4 June 2009 exam paper. This is the final question on the paper. We're given matrix M, which is equal to this. Without attempting to factorise, we want to expand fully the determinant of M. So what we're looking for is just the determinant of this matrix M. So I'll write this out as okay, and we're not going to factorise it at all, so we're simply just expanding it out. So I'm going to have A times by the determinant of that there, so it's going to be A squared take away BC, and then I've got to take away C times by AB take away C squared. And then I've got a plus B times by B squared take away AC. Okay, so that's going to be equal to A cubed take away ABC, take away ABC plus C cubed, and then plus B cubed take away ABC. And that's going to be equal to A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed take away 3 lots of ABC. Okay. Right. Part B. We're given, this time we're given matrix N, and we want to find the product of matrix M and N. So we're going to go and we need to times these together and find the product of them. Okay, so you might want to have a go at doing this yourself. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the recording, and you don't want to see me crunch through this, and I will pop the answer on in a second. So have a try yourself. And there you go, this is what you should have. I stopped the video and it probably took me about 4 or 5 minutes to do that. Probably about 3 or 4 minutes to do that. Right, so that's part B. We've now got the product matrix MN, and it's a kind of ugly looking thing, but it's there nonetheless. But we'll see something interesting about it in a second. Part C says prove that the product this times this can be written in the form x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed take away 3x y z, and we need to say what x, y and z are in terms of A, B, C, D, E and F. Right, so we need to spot some patterns in order to do this. So I'm going to grab my highlighter pen just to kind of highlight some of the patterns, existing patterns that are there. Before we do that, let me before we do that, what we should do is decide what fact we're going to use in order to prove this. Well, I know that the determinant of M, which is what I worked out in the first part, is this here. This is the determinant of M, and I'm going to use the fact that that is the same as that there. And we're going to use the fact, so for part C, that the determinant of M times by the determinant of N, and we should know the rule that that is going to be the same as the determinant of M times N. Okay, so what we're saying is that the determinant of this here times by the determinant of this here is going to be equal to the determinant of this here. Now, we're going to see if we can spot some patterns here, and what I'd like you to spot here is that I've got an A, an A, an A, and I've got a B there, a B there, and a B there, and I've got a C, and a C there. And interestingly, I've got the same pattern in this here. I've got the D, the D, the D, like so. I've got the E there, the E there, and the E there. And I've got my F, my F, my F. And actually, this matrix is the same pattern as this matrix here, but the A has been superimposed as the D, the B has been superimposed as an E, and the F has been the C has been superimposed as an F. So actually, the determinant of this matrix is going to be of the same form as the determinant of this matrix. So that means that the determinant of M was A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed take away 3ABC. So the determinant of N is going to be D cubed plus E cubed plus F cubed take away 3DEF. So I'm going to write down the determinant of N over here. So the determinant of N is going to be equal to D cubed plus E cubed Okay, and also interestingly, if we have a look at this over here, and I'll take my yellow pen, and I've got AD plus BF plus CE over here, and I've got AD plus BF plus CE over here, and I've got AD plus BF plus CE over here, and those are also going to follow that same pattern here. And I've got BD plus CF plus AE over here, and I've got BD plus CF plus AE over here, and actually that BD plus CF plus AE is going to be the same as each other. And finally, CD plus AF plus BE, CD plus AF plus BE, and CD plus AF plus BE over here as well. So I could write the determinant of this here in this form, x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed to take away 3x, y, z, because the x would be the yellow bits, the y would be the green bits, and the z would be the pink bits. So I could say the determinant of n is going to be equal to, and I'm going to write down x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed take away 3xy, where x is going to be equal to AD plus BF plus CE, and y is going to be equal to AE plus BD plus CF, and z is going to be equal to AD E plus C D. And there you go. So that's going to be the last part of the question. That brings us to the end of the paper. It might be worth you having a go at the paper independently. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions at all. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon.